morning. Welcome to Tim Hortons. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get the large Earl Grey Black, please? Thank you.
So much.
Have a good day. Good morning, everyone. So today is the date that I officially move. I'm putting a plastic on top of my bedding because we're gonna do some rust repair, and if I don't want my van and my actual mattress to be covered in dust, the rest is fine. I can undust things, but mattress, that's kind of gross. So I'm gonna put this plastic sheet, so if dust come inside, it's not gonna be too bad, at least on the mattress. All right, kitty, we're gonna go to the new home.
Run, Kelly, run! She's like, oh, it's him!
Good morning, Mr. Chrome.
Hi.
Hi. This is gonna be the home for the next week. Bring my curtain with me.
That's probably a good idea.
I think last time was more in the front though. Figure that out later. Alright, I just need to bring the cat and we are good. Dan's gonna be here for a little week, get some facelift, I call it facelift repair.
There'll be a little bit of cleanup on the inner on this corner too, but nothing that can't be overcome for sure. So we're just doing the rockers in the back corners.
Yeah.
And then should be pretty straightforward.
Yes.
This gonna come up.
Isn't that nice? Pull at it. You got the chance to rip it out. Do it.
You want a screwdriver to poke at it?
You wanna see? There you go. Yeah, that was easy.
That's fun.
Yeah. It's up.
That's a good reminder for people to clean out your wheel wells.
100%.
I'm not an expert at that. All right, this is gonna be on for the week, Kitty. So we're gonna set everything up. The bed. I do have a little bit of stuff to do with the heater. Prepping the fridge too as well, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself comfortable. All right. So I just put the battery here. I'm gonna have this fridge. All right, it's already started. That's good. It's gonna cool down. So yeah, it's a nice big fridge that we have. And even on this side I can make ice, which I don't think we're gonna do it. I think it's gonna be cold enough. We're supposed to have like a wind storm, what do you call it, bomb cyclone, I don't know, they have a different name for everything. So we're definitely gonna have to use the heater. If you don't know, I spent 3 winter without a heater, but I used to have like really warm sleeping bag, and you get used to it, to the cold kind of. So when it's always warm and suddenly it's cold, that's where you feel it. Same thing like someone live in the house and go to a van, will be like, oh, it's so cold. Well, how you do it? You get used to it. But yeah, so yeah, all right. Enough talking. We're gonna make that bed. All right, we got it. So I have 4 blanket, I think. Yeah, 4 blanket. So it should be nice and comfortable. So if you don't know, this van we call the shop van is my friend van. It's not a rental. Chrome kindly offer his van, and yeah, so they're also gonna work on my van, rust repair. Maybe we're gonna poke a couple times and check what he's doing and all this this week. But yeah, exciting. So the only thing I have to do right now is to fill those holes, because I mean the pipe's going right out of the van, but still can have like some smoke coming from there. So I got those type of tape that are good for those things. And we're gonna fix this just so we don't get any smoke coming inside. Like I said, I think I'm gonna try my best to just use it when I'm awake, just in case. I mean, this is a little Chinese diesel heater. I don't know which brand it is, to be quite honest. Alright, that's definitely a little bit better. Alright, so did I bring you? Oh. I want to go to the gym, but I may have forgotten. No, I got it. Woo! Have it out. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go at the gym. But before I go at the gym, I would like to talk about the sponsor of this video. The sponsor of this video is Bottle. Look how cute those things are. I do have 2 bottles with me. The 32 ounces, really big. You can use as a straw or just drinking from the top there. It's got a little comfortable little handle. You can drink from this portion there or on this side here. But what I like about this big one, obviously you can put more water. There's a little unscrew thing right here, and you can bring, if you want to put some pills or your protein powder when you go at the gym, things like this. Super useful. So this is the big one, and you have the smaller one, the 24 ounces. Smaller one. This is the one that I usually bring at the gym. I really like the handle. Obviously the little hook there, but also just all you feel when you drink it. It's not too big. In the little handle there to drink as well, and it keep your water cold for 12 hours. So perfect when you go at the gym or when you go walk outside for a hike and things. Really useful. So if you are looking for a bottle, and it could also be a great gift for the holiday season. So I'm gonna put the link of those 2 bottles in the description if you're looking for one. And thank you Bottle for sponsoring the portion of the video. Oh, Daryl just texted me. You want me to look at my passenger side rocker, so I'm gonna go check that out, see what's going on. I don't know, guys. See what he found. What happened?
Well, as you get into rust, the problem is that sometimes it looks like there's not a lot, but as soon as you start picking at it, it just opens up. So, especially in kind of the main support back here, where the doors are, there was actually a patch that I don't know who put it on.
That's Chrome and I who did that.
Okay, so that was the mouse patch?
Yeah.
So I can see why, because there was a big hole there. I started picking at this, and you can kind of see where the darker rust is. That's basically the metal is like kind of done. And you can see how high it goes up in the wheel well. The problem with these is the way that this kind of forms a pocket, and then of course the tire throws stuff in there. So if it's not cleaned out for years and years, then it starts rust there and works its way across. So it was packed with dirt basically up to there.
Of dirt, dust
and then dirt. It's actually rotted off a bit of the bottom of the C-pillar. So to fix it the right way,
Yeah.
we should be rebuilding the bottom of the C-pillar.
Okay.
It's rotten here as well.
Okay.
And then where you were picking at it originally,
Yeah.
you can see that the inner is actually gone
Okay.
too. So like this main structure and everything here actually has a hole in it that I'm sticking my
okay.
fingers up through.
Okay.
So that's kind of the main support in this corner.
Okay.
So as a different idea,
Yeah.
instead of spending all of the time to remake
Yeah.
all of this stuff,
Yeah.
is we actually get a piece of square tube.
Okay.
So they make 3x4 square tube. 3 inches is just a little bit lower than this if I was to weld it in on this edge.
Okay.
And then basically you end up with proper like structural steel.
Okay. Thank you so much to making my van look like this.
No problem. That's the easy part. We'll get her back together soon.
All right. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You too. Yay, we might have a little bit of snow tonight. Just what we wanted. Alright, stuff everywhere here. I'm gonna make myself a little something to eat. I'm gonna chop everything. I'm gonna have little quesadillas. I usually put spinach, onion, bell pepper, sometime tofu or sausage. Today there's gonna be sausage and spinach. But I do have bok choy, so instead of the spinach, we're gonna have bok choy. I'm gonna chop everything. I'm gonna put my stove on top here so I can cook here and not having to cook and chop in the same time. Yeah, this week's gonna be those type of meal, like, you know, one pan, everything in one pan in one shot. So it saved me some time and saved me to having like a lot of stuff to prep. This is on. This is on. Oh, I feel it's been such a long day. It's been a long day. I woke up at 4 to edit the previous video because, well, I wanted that to be done before I went to give my van away and everything. So, yeah, I woke up at like 4. It's all good. I did a mistake. I buy some gluten-free wrap. Nah, they are all broken inside. So, just cooking the veggie here. I'm gonna put this after. Alright, I put that, but those wrappers just falling apart. Those wrap didn't like crisp at all. I look very orange in this van. So my meal doesn't look. Those wrap are just not the greatest. The wrap didn't crisp, but it is alright. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for us tonight. I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the evening, edit that video, and I think we're gonna do a little, I hate the lightning of this van. Hopefully I can fix that and do anything. I look sick. I look like all puffy. I'm not feeling that bad, I swear. I look so bad from the viewfinder. I think we're gonna do a little series of couple video back to back, so every other day. So I think this one's gonna go Friday, so probably no, Thursday, so next one's gonna be Saturday. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'm gonna leave you with Kitty. You wanna say bye? You wanna give a kiss? You wanna give a kiss? Thank you. You want to show them the little spot that you have underneath there? Should make yourself a little spot. Go show them. You little girl. Alright, we'll see you in the next video, guys.